Hey guys, I just got my daughter this Melissa and Doug Pet Vet Playset, and we're going to open it up here and take a closer look at all the included parts, but why is it that you picked out this specific playset?
Because I like dogs.
You like dogs? Well, it makes sense. Okay, let's get it open and see if it's good for the dogs. So it comes with two squishy plush animals like this. What are you going to name this one, sweetheart?
I'm going to name him Doug.
Hello, Doug. And it also comes with this cute cat right here. What are you going to name this one?
Melissa.
Hello, Melissa. And one of the first pieces that it comes with is this little neck cone right here. I'll show you how this works. It has two Velcro pieces, one right there and one right there that will stick together. Wrap it around their neck, fold it under, and then stick the Velcro piece like that. And now you have the little doggy ready to be healed. You also have this cast right here that will go on one of their legs, and that just slides on like that and will stick on. It also comes with some medicating ointment. There actually isn't any ointment in it, it's just empty. But you'll see that the lid does open up. It also comes with this little thermometer right here. You can twist the bottom and it will raise the temperature both on the mercury reading and on the actual number up here. It also comes with this syringe right here that has a measuring label on the side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can depress it like this to give pretend shots. Got another little medicine container here as well. It's got a paw imprint on top and the lid screws off really easily. Another medicine container here, this one specifically for the cats. Again, the lid comes off. A similar medicine container here, this one for the dogs. Again, lid comes off. Got a large pair of tweezers here that are easy to squeeze and have little grips on them. When you need to check the ears and nose, we have one of these devices right here. We've got a stethoscope here, but it doesn't have an actual functioning stethoscope feature. Obviously, it's just pretend. It comes with a real tongue depressor right here, made of wood. I'm not totally sure what a vet does with this one, some kind of pinching mechanism here. We have another bottle here. This one's for eye drops. We have a couple different bandages, one small one with a Velcro strap so it closes up, and a larger, similarly patterned one also with a Velcro strap. And then to make house calls, we have our carrying case for all of our equipment. But what house call would be complete without a record-taking card right here? You can write on this and erase on it with a pencil. You'll see there's a space for dates, notes, gender, type of animal, an indicating feature for the ailments, and on the back side, more record keeping, and you can mark down the equipment that you used. And here you can see my child really enjoying it, playing with the stethoscope, giving them their little booster shots, giving them their medicine, making sure they get all wrapped up in their bandages. She loves just giving them the eye exams too. She really enjoys this little set right here. She's happy she got it, and I'm happy I got it for her.